Good afternoon, all you graded sports cards and Pokemon card fans out there. I am the Great Canadian Explorer, your host Ryan, and earlier, well, later, early I guess this year, but later last year, back in November, I sent a bunch of cards in to get graded. Here's a stack right here, and they sent me back, and I thought I I wanted to show you guys what I got with the grades and everything else. Go through it and all and stuff. For all the cards that I went and sent in graded was Pokemon. The grading company that I used was Beckett itself. So let's move this a little closer so you guys can hear me a bit better. Okay, there we go. So I sent them into Beckett to get graded, and they finally arrived back to me. So I thought I'd go through with them, open it up with you, and check things out, see what's what. I haven't looked at them yet. I just pulled them out of the bubble wrap and all that stuff. So let's go check things out and see what's what. So let's change the camera view here. So let's start off with the first one, okay? So we got the first one right here, and it is Electabuzz 7.5 from the Toys R Us promos. That was, I forget when these were being shipped out, or Toys R Us were giving them out. So it looks like it's 7.5 all around except for centering. Centering was a 9. So that is the Electabuzz. So here. Let's put them right here. Okay. Next one is the Piplup, and it's an 8. So it looks like the corners were 7.5. Everything else was either an 8, 8.5, or a 9 to get the, it's the Piplup from the Toys R Us. So another Toys R Us card promo. So next card. Now this one is a Japanese one. I can tell because it's the backing for the Japanese. So this is what the every other backing looks like, and then comparison side by side. So let's see what this guy is and what he is. 9.5. It's the Charmander. Full art. Nice. Everything is a 9.5 except for service, which is a 10. Not bad. Pretty good. Okay. Next one. It's this guy. And it's my shiny Charmander. So he's a 9. Looks like the corners were an 8.5. Surface was a 10. But everything else was a 9.5. So that's why it was a 9. Okay. Next guy. Let's see who this one is and what the grade is. It's another Charmander. This one's an 8.5. So this one's a little less. Looks like the corners are the reason why it went to an 8.5. But still a shiny Charmander, 8.5. So let's see this guy next. And it is the promo. I forget which promo this is. But it's the Cerulege promo, and it's a 9. It's pretty good, especially for that promo. So, next card. Oh, another Toys R Us Piplup. This one is an 8. Let's see. So corners and surface, or no, corners and centering or 8. Edges are 8.5 and surface is a 7.5. Nice. At least it's higher than a 7. So the next one is this guy right here. Let's see who it is. And it's another Charmander. Forget which set it is. It's a 9. So surface is 10, but everything else is a 9. Nice. Think it's a reverse hollow. Oh, right. It's the GameStop promo. So this one is the GameStop promo. And I got a 9 on it. Nice. Okay. Next card is this one. And it's the Eevee Build-A-Bear Workshop. It's an 8.5. Looks like everything was an 8.5 on it. That's why it's just 8.5. Nice. Oh. One of my friends' favorite Pokemon is Eevee here. So, next card. Let's see. It's the Vulpix, the Build-A-Bear 9.5. 8.5. So the corners is an 8.5. Surface is an 8. Centering in and edges is a 9s. So those are pretty good. So let's see who this guy is. Oh, it's the Pokemon World Championship promo that they were giving out at GameStop and all that stuff. This guy right here. And he's a 9.5. Nice. 10 on surfaces. Centering and edges, 9.5. Surface, 9. Pretty good. Pretty good so far. I kind of like what I've been getting so far. So, let's see this guy. See what he is. Oh, it's another Worlds one. It's a 9 this time. Surface is a 10. Corners and centering are 9. And edges are 9.5. Nice. Close to being a 9.5, but I got the 9. That's okay. So let's see who this guy is. That would be the Charmander. Blaine's Charmander. I got a 6 on him. Expecting something low. Let's see. Got a 5.5 on surface. 6.5 on edges. 8.5 on centering. And it looks like a 6 on the corners. Kind of expected it because of how old this card was. And I got it at a convention, so I figured, yep, that's something that I was expecting for such an old card. Nowadays, when you're finding a lot of the older cards, a lot of them are not in good condition. So I'm happy that it was a 6. Hey. Ooh, it's 8.5 for the promo executor. The nice. Would have preferred a 9 or something, but 8.5 is good for this guy. Okay. Check these guns out. This guy, let's see who he is. Oh, the Detective Pikachu, the Japanese one. Nice, a 10. Centering was 9.5, but everything else was a 10. Actually, no. This isn't the Japanese one. This is the Chinese one. Because I can tell by the back. So it's the Chinese Detective Pikachu. Nice. Now this is a Japanese card. Let's see what this guy got. 10. It is the Full Art Pikachu. 9.5 on centering. Not bad. Not bad at all. Kind of like it. Okay. Let's see this guy. The Build-A-Bear Snorlax. An 8. He was an 8 on everything except for Saj, which was an 8.5. But all around, he's an 8. So I kind of like it. And it's the Build-A-Bear Workshop Snorlax. So let me know what you guys think so far. Write down in the comments. Okay, so the next card. Oh, excuse me. It's the Build-A-Bear Jigglypuff. 7.5. 7 on surface, 8 on corners, 8 on edges, and 8.5 on centering. To me, that could have been at least an 8, but I guess because the surface got a 7. Okay, let's check this guy out. Here we go. 7 for the Build-A-Bear Workshop. So, surface is a 6. Corners and edges are 8s. And centering is an 8.5. Not bad for a 7. Final guy. Let's see this guy. Let's see what he is. Here we go. Boom. The Build-A-Bear Workshop Eevee. So he's a 7.5. So 7 surface, 7.5 corners, centering an 8, and the edges are an 8.5. So not bad. Not bad for the entire collection. So let's just go back over them quick. 7.5 Eevee Build-A-Bear Workshop. Oop. Got the cord in the way. Oh man. Such a noob. The Pikachu Build-A-Bear Workshop 7. Jigglypuff Build-A-Bear Workshop 7.5. The Snorlax Build-A-Bear Workshop 8. Keep them there. The Japanese Full Art Pikachu and the 3 starters 10. The Chinese Detective Pikachu promo card Full Art 10. Yay! Next is the Executor promo card 8.5. Nice. Blaine's Charmander 6. Nice. The Pikachu Worlds promo 9. Nice. Let's move these around so I can have a little more space where the camera is. The Other World's Pikachu promo, 9.5. Nice. The Build-A-Bear Vulpix, 8.5, which I like. The Build-A-Bear Eevee. The Build-A-Bear Workshop Eevee, 8.5. Also pretty good. The GameStop Charmander, 9. Now this is something I like, because it's a 9 or higher. Nice. Then we got the Piplup Toys R Us promo, which is an 8. Then we got the Cerulege. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. Promo card. Forget where I got this promo card from. Which is a 9, which is pretty good. Then I got the shiny Charmander, 8.5. Nice. Then I got another shiny Charmander, which is a 9. Nice. Then the full art Charmander. I think it's the Japanese set. Yep, it's the Japanese one. Full art Charmander, 9.5, which is nice. Then the Piplup promo from Toys R Us, which is an 8. And then the Electabuzz promo from Toys R Us, which is a 7.5. Nice. So that was all my graded cards. So let's switch back to me. There we go. So every card that I sent out was with Beckett. I always choose Beckett is because Beckett is my favorite grader. I prefer it over all the others like PSA, Mint, CGC, KSG, and all the other grading companies out there. I prefer Beckett myself. I think Beckett is the better grading company, but that's my personal opinion. And I know a lot of people out there prefer PSA. But thank you for watching this long for the entire video. Don't forget to like this video if you haven't. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. It really helps everything out. And hit that notification button to get notified of future videos. Down in the comments down below, write what your favorite card out of the cards that I got graded here, or even write down what your favorite grading company and what cards you got graded that were like really super good, like 10s and stuff like that. Because I know with Beckett you can get Black Label and all that stuff. So don't forget to write down in the comment. It helps this channel out. So I will see you guys in the future videos. Until next time, I am the Great Canadian Explorer, your host Ryan, and I will see you in the future videos. Until next time, bye everybody.